Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. It's been a long time since Apple introduced an iPhone that truly felt like a radical departure in design. If we go back to 2019 and examine each subsequent release, it becomes evident that despite some minor redesigns along the way, the core look and feel of the iPhone has remained largely the same. However, the tides are set to change in 2025 with the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple is preparing to introduce the most significant design overhaul in the history of its Pro models, and the changes are both extensive and exciting. Let's dive deep into the three major design transformations that Apple is planning for the iPhone 17 Pro, and explore the groundbreaking internal enhancements that will make it a game-changer. 1. A bold new camera bar. One of the most noticeable and radical design changes Apple is introducing is the new camera bar system on the back of the iPhone 17 Pro. For years, Apple has adhered to the familiar triangular camera arrangement positioned in the top left corner, a design philosophy that dates back to the original iPhone in 2007. However, the iPhone 17 Pro is set to break from tradition with a horizontal camera bar that stacks the wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses in a sleek, linear arrangement. Key camera upgrades. 48-megapixel telephoto lens. Previously, only the wide and ultra-wide lenses featured 48-megapixel high-resolution sensors. In 2025, Apple is elevating the telephoto lens to the same standard, making this camera system potentially the most powerful ever seen on an iPhone. Enhanced build quality. The current raised 3D glass camera bump will be replaced with an aluminum camera bar, offering a more refined and durable look. Pixel-inspired aesthetics. The new camera design closely resembles Google's Pixel lineup, a move that has already sparked excitement among tech enthusiasts. This redesign not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the iPhone but also promises superior camera performance, making it a compelling choice for photography enthusiasts. 2. Say goodbye to titanium. In another surprising twist, Apple is planning to transition the iPhone 17 Pro's chassis material from titanium back to aluminum, a material it hasn't used on its flagship devices since 2016. Why the switch? Weight reduction. Aluminum is significantly lighter than both stainless steel and titanium, offering a more comfortable user experience. Premium feel considerations. While aluminum is lighter, some users may perceive it as less premium. To mitigate this, rumors suggest Apple is considering an aluminum-titanium composite material, which could offer the best of both worlds. Despite the change in materials, Apple will continue to incorporate glass into the design, maintaining a premium aesthetic and durability. Display improvements. Same sizes. Apple will retain the existing 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch screen sizes for the Pro and Pro Max models, respectively. Enhanced scratch resistance. A new screen coating will provide better protection against everyday wear and tear. Anti-reflective layer. Improved outdoor visibility thanks to an advanced anti-reflective coating. 3. A smaller, smarter dynamic island. The third major design change is the introduction of a smaller dynamic island, a long-rumored feature that is now widely expected to become a reality in 2025. How Apple achieves this? Meta lens technology. The new Face ID system will incorporate a meta lens, which is significantly thinner than the current lens system, allowing for a more compact design. Upgraded FaceTime camera. The front camera will see a major leap, jumping from 12 megapixels to 24 megapixels, resulting in sharper selfies and enhanced video call quality. This evolution moves Apple one step closer to its ultimate vision: an all-screen iPhone with no obtrusive camera cutouts. Major internal upgrades. While the external changes are substantial, the internal upgrades to the iPhone 17 Pro are equally groundbreaking. Here are the key improvements Apple is set to introduce. 1. AI-powered performance with the A19 Pro chip. Apple is set to equip the iPhone 17 Pro with the cutting-edge A19 Pro chip, designed to be more efficient and powerful than ever. Key features. Enhanced neural engine. Optimized for AI-driven tasks. Improved power efficiency. Better battery management even with power-intensive applications. 2. More RAM for better AI integration. For the first time, both the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max will feature 12 GB of RAM, up from the current 8 GB. Why more RAM matters? Enhanced performance for AI-based applications such as ChatGPT and other on-device processing tasks. More multitasking capabilities, allowing users to run intensive apps without slowdowns. 3. Apple's custom Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chip. A major shift is Apple's decision to develop its own Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo chip, featuring Wi-Fi 7, the latest in wireless connectivity standards. Expected benefits: improved reliability and speed, seamless integration with other Apple devices. Apple is also developing its own 5G modem, which is expected to be integrated into the iPhone 17 Pro, potentially offering speeds close to industry-leading competitors. 4. The end of the SIM tray era. In what is arguably the most controversial change, Apple is reportedly planning to remove the physical SIM tray in more countries worldwide. The pros and cons. Pros: more internal space for other components. Improved water and dust resistance. Cons: potentially challenging transition for regions heavily reliant on physical SIM cards. While the transition to eSIM has been relatively smooth in the US, other markets might face challenges adapting to the change. Final thoughts. The iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max represent Apple's most ambitious step forward in years. With a fresh new design featuring a sleek camera bar, a shift back to aluminum for a lighter build, and groundbreaking internal upgrades such as the A19 Pro chip, increased RAM, and custom connectivity chips, Apple is gearing up to redefine what a flagship smartphone can be. However, some changes, such as the removal of the SIM tray, may not be universally welcomed. Still, as history has shown, Apple's vision for a streamlined, futuristic device often sets industry standards. Stay tuned as more details emerge about what could very well be the most exciting iPhone release in years.